What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ Fab, and in today's video guys, it's all about this crypto here called AMP, which has been gaining a decent amount of value over the last 24 hours. Again, it's not even the last 24 hours. In the last, let's say, half an hour to an hour, it randomly picked up in value, going from about 0.008 all the way up to, let's have a look here, just above the 1 cent target. And right now it has dropped back down in value and going back up, but as you can see, it has gone up over 40% in value in the last 24 hours, making it just above the 1 cent target. So we're going to be looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022. How far can AMP go? What is the highest figure it can go? Is it a good time to buy? Is it too late? Should you wait for it to drop back down in value? Looking at its next potential target, is it going to keep pumping up in value, or is it just going to drop all the way back down straight away? And also my prediction for both buyers and sellers point of view. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are currently on the Coinbase website, and AMP is the third top gainer in the last 24 hours. Let's have a look. In the last hour itself, managed to gain a massive 40% in value, and then took a little dip here. And over the day, of course, 45%. Over the week, it is still 34% up, and over the month, just about 3% up for the whole month. As you can see, for most of the month, it was dropping in value, dropped even worse over the last couple of days, and right now picked up in value. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the CoinMarketCap website, and we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 815% in the last 24 hours, making it just over $39 million in trading volume, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded, and especially the increase here is absolutely crazy. And obviously the peak just taking place right now, so I'm expecting this percentage and this value here to go up even further over the next couple of hours. But I'll do another refresh later on in the video to see if it actually has gone up. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But before I do that, I'm going to just hide this, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and we've also got the purple line running across the chart here, which is currently valuing AMP at 0.009449, and we got AMP obviously trading at much higher value at 0.01200 right now, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. So zooming in here, we got the blue line and the orange line going in a bullish direction, looking very steep, going in a positive direction. However, that is not the case, guys. I am expecting the crypto to slightly take a little step back. It's already started to drop in value. I'm expecting it to drop a little bit more. Yes, it is likely to pump back up in value, hitting over 0.015. However, the overall outcome towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, seems to be more on the negative side, potentially dropping down to about the 1 cent target or just below that. And again, just a little disclaimer, guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So moving on to the hourly chart now, next couple of days, what can we see? Again, we still got the blue line and the orange line going in a bullish direction, looking very steep, which is not realistic. Again, the major increase here has caused the graph to go in such direction, which again I'm not expecting. If I went by what the graph is telling me, is basically over the next 7-8 days we should expect it to keep pumping, keep going up in value, consistently hitting green candles, which is of course not realistic. Again, over the next few days, so by mid next week, I'm expecting it to take a little step back and hover around the average value, which is 0.09059, somewhere around there. Nothing too crazy. Again, it is likely to take a little step back and take a little breather and come back down in value. Now we're looking much more realistic. We don't have any more steep lines or anything like that. However, we still got the blue line and the orange line going in a bullish direction, looking quite positive, just about slanting towards a positive direction, meaning minimal gains in value are expected over the coming weeks. So I'm talking about mid-August to late August, we should expect an overall increase in value on AMP. Again, I'm not expecting a huge increase or a huge pump or anything like that. It is going to be a minimal increase in value on AMP over the coming weeks. Hopefully there's no more crashes. We can see the whole crypto market recovering as well. And again, AMP also follows a similar pattern to Bitcoin. So obviously, guys, Bitcoin has dropped below the 20k target, which is not looking too good. So Obviously, if Bitcoin pumps, we're going to see the most cryptos pumping as well. However, if we see Bitcoin dropping in value, we are going to see most cryptos dropping as well. So what I have put together for you guys is a Telegram group chat where I'll show you guys my predictions, my takes on Bitcoin every single day on a daily basis on how far Bitcoin can go. You know, this prediction for that specific day, is it going in a positive or negative direction, what price target it can hit, so on and so on, and also showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. If you guys want to join the group chat, the link to that will be in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, and over half the spaces have already gone. So after that, it will increase to $29.99. So what does this subscription include? So you're going to get put into two group chats. One is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. The other one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and that is also where I give you guys daily updates on Bitcoin, on what to expect, where it's heading towards, and giving you guys prediction and analysis on different cryptocurrencies that you guys request for in the group chat. But again, any questions, any queries you guys may have before you sign up, simply send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. If not, once again, the link is in the description box down below. So back to AMP we go. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring out the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you can see, we are trading in the red zone. Obviously, we're not as bad as we were back in early 2021, where we were trading much below the current price. However, we are slowly starting to recover, but we are nowhere near the the green zone. For us to hit the green zone, we're gonna have to at least about the 3 cents target, and we are only trading at just about 1 cent. So essentially, we're going to have to go over a 300% increase, just about 300% increase for us to hit the green zone, which I'm not expecting from AMP anytime soon. So more or less for most of the year, for the rest of the year even, we are very likely to trade in the red zone. But as long as we keep moving in a positive direction, that's all that matters. But right now and for the rest of the year, yeah, more or less red zone it is. However, if there are any major updates or major news that come across that can have a major impact on the value of AMP in a positive or negative way, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on AMP, guys. I'm very intrigued to see what your expectations and what your predictions are. How far do you guys think AMP can go? What is the highest or lowest figure it can hit in 2022? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on AMP. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it means a lot and helps me out a lot as well, because I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. Oh yeah, I forgot to do the refresh. Let's have a look. So it was 39,815% increase. Let's have a look now. So as you can see, it's gone up all the way to 45 million right now, nearly 45, and 937% increase. So yeah, it's just gonna get higher and higher over the next couple of hours. Anyways, I'm not gonna keep you guys for too long. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.